Applying for a mortgage can be an exciting experience, but it can also be very stressful. There's a lot of paperwork involved, and you have to provide evidence that you have the means to repay the loan. That's why one important document you may need to provide when applying for a mortgage is an explanation letter. Explanation letters are documents that explain any discrepancies in your application that could potentially delay or damage your chances of being approved for a loan. In this video, we're going to share why explanation letters matter and how to write one. Let's begin with what is an explanation letter? Well, an explanation letter is a document used by borrowers who are applying for a mortgage loan and need to explain any discrepancies in their application that could potentially delay or damage their chances of being approved for the loan. It typically includes details about why there were late payments, discrepancies in your income, or other issues that might be cause for concern. The main purpose of the letter is to give lenders insight into your financial situation and help them make an informed decision on whether or not they should approve your application. When do you need an explanation letter? Well, it's important to understand when you might need an explanation letter during the mortgage application process. Generally speaking, if there is something on your credit report that could raise questions about your ability to repay the loan, then an explanation letter may be necessary. Some common reasons why you might consider writing an explanation letter include late payments, overdrafts, charge-offs, bankruptcies, foreclosures, medical bills, and so forth. How do you write an explanation letter? When writing an explanation letter, it's important to keep it concise and direct while also providing as much relevant information as possible so that lenders can get a clear picture of what happened and make an informed decision on whether or not they should approve your application. Here are some tips for writing an effective explanation letter. First, explain what happened in detail. Provide as much detail as possible, including dates if available, so that lenders can get a clear picture of the situation at hand. Next, focus on what changed. Don't focus on what went wrong. Explain how things are different now and how you've worked towards improving your financial situation since then. Next, be honest. Don't try to sugarcoat things. Instead of providing honest answers so that lenders can get a true sense of what happened and understand where you stand now financially. Next, keep it short. Try not to make it too long. Get straight to the point so that lenders don't lose interest before they even finish reading it. And finally, be professional. Make sure everything looks professional with no typos or grammar mistakes. This will demonstrate that you take this process seriously and are invested in making sure everything goes smoothly from start to finish. Writing an explanation letter when applying for a mortgage can seem intimidating, but hopefully these tips have helped shed some light on why they're important and how best to approach writing one. Remember, honesty is key here. Lenders want to know exactly what happened so they can make an informed decision about whether or not they should approve your application. Don't try and cover anything up or gloss over any details, because this could end up hurting rather than helping your case.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you would like to discuss it further. So if you would, please feel free to call me, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial Mortgage, 424-290-8294. You can also email me, mitch@rivierafinancial.com. You can also find me on Instagram at Mitchell Milat, or on my Facebook homepage, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial, Beverly Hills. Thank you so much. Look forward to talking to you soon and wishing you much success in the future.